Hiya, Raybo1963 here. How you doing? And well, I've got something to show you. Are you one of these people that sometimes you make mistakes? Like you've got a fantastic tool, you've gone out your way to go and get it, and it costs you too much money, so you've gone and got rid of it because it just don't seem sensible to keep it for the price. Or are you one of the people that you want the top bollocks machines, but you can't afford it? Well, mate, I'm going to show you something today what you're going to love. Cheap, economical, and well made, and all of that, all in one go. What do you think of that? Keep watching. You'll love it. Yep. The RUYIKA. The RUYIKA. Right, well, as you know that I do have DeWalt, and I've had Makita, and at the end of the day, this machine, I've already had it out today and played with it. So, what I'm going to tell you what you get, basically. So it's a nice hard box, which, if you look at this way, that's a DeWalt box. That's all that's got is my impact driver and my drill. And you can see the difference anyway. Okay? Massively big difference. So, in this little box, you got this lot. You got the instructions. They're alright, but not very English, not very good. You got these beautiful little gloves. They're soft and they're multi-fitting. Then you got 120 volt one battery, 21 volt battery, two, and they both say that's 600 milliamp. Well, okay, so far. You got all these attachments, and these are pretty good. These are pretty good. So you got your torque sockets, and believe it or not, can you hear it? They're like Marleys. When you tap them together, they're like marbles. So they're really good quality, that means. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Then what you've got is you've got a drill chuck key. You've got another adapter there. Now this adapter is a screwdriver adapter. And here you've got this adapter with a screw on it. And then you've got like a Black & Decker sized chuck. But that don't mean you can only use Black & Decker sized chucks. It means anything that screws onto there, that type of chuck. So now you're turning what you've got into more than what you've got. So let me show you the size of this thing exactly, so you all know exactly the size it is. Well, I've seen some big ones in the past. Now I'm going to take the battery off the DeWalt, drop that out of there, and that's what you've got. It's practically exactly the same size as your DeWalt. But this thing is fan-dabby-dozy. And when I say fan-dabby-dozy, I mean it's great. You've got a 1/2 inch tug on the front socket for doing all the jobs, what you want to do. Got to line up right. 1 second. There you go. Okay, so it's nice and big and meaty. And you drop the battery in, obviously. It's great. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but just there you got your speeds. Because it's got an electronic slow gearbox basically. Now I will say, if you do buy one of these, take these parts out, take that off and fill that with grease. Okay, that's the only problem I found with it so far. They're a bit skimpy with the grease. So, well, what do I think about it? Well, luckily, yes, it's a Ratchet, and it's as good, if not better, in my eyes, than a Milwaukee. Don't get me wrong, he looks like a Milwaukee, doesn't he? But I think it's better, and you'll see why when you watch this video. So, you convert it into a drill with the adapter. We can turn the speed up higher. Fantastic. And then when you wanna, if you wanna do impact screwdriver, there you go, that goes onto there. And then you just add your screwdriver bits, what you buy, obviously. There you go. So, mate, I'm not telling you lies. It's brilliant. When you're using this, or you're using the drill adapter, you've got this washer. And inside there, you've got this little pin. Fantastic little idea, but bad idea at the same time. Because it's a pain in the backside, obviously. It's a good tight fit, I will say that, right? So just drop your washer on there, slip it over there. Now, find the hole, drop the pin in the hole, put this back over there, make sure it's over the centre of it. Now it ain't going to fall off while you're doing screwing and stuff like that. And does it work? Keep watching the video, because now we're going to show you how bad this boy is. How really good. And we're even gonna give it a competition between Honda NSR, what I'm doing it for next summer. That's why it's got no fuel tank or no petrol or anything else to be in my house. Well, in my kitchen, yeah. So I'm not breaking no laws and I can't get in trouble by having it in the house. So anyway, so we're going to take that back wheel off. Well, we're going to try. We're going to see whether it actually will take the back wheel off. Well, we're going to see. And I'm also going to be fair, and I'm going to try it against my DeWalt and, well, the new drill, the new impact, the new screwdriver, the new impact, whatever you want to call it. And here we go. So first of all, we're going to try with the DeWalt to take this bolt off. Make sure we get it all the way around. Hang on. As you can see, that's with a full battery and it won't touch it. I didn't think it would. Now we're going to do it with this one. Once I get it on there, there you go. Now let's put it right way around, that's it. Let's see what this does. Well, there you can see it took it straight off. That's bad. It's not bad, it's good really, but you know, So now we'll put it back on. There you go. Just proves that this little baby has got some go in it, doesn't it? And just because I can, I'm going to show you the screwdriver attachment. Once I put it on, I've got to line her up. There you go. There's the wood. Turn it that way so we get a good shot deep. And then we're going to use the screwdriver attachment. And if you can see that, there, it's took the screw complete into the wood and it didn't slow down. Let's do it again. Yeah. And it doesn't slow down at all. Right, I've got a screw light there. Let's put it there. Let's put it there. Oh no, let's put it there. I'll press it. Well, you can see that yourself. That is deep into the wood, as you can see. Let's take it back out now. You can see to rip the wood out. That's how powerful. Oh, that's right. Put that too deep in the wood now. Too deep in the wood though. I'll put it too deep in it, that deep I can't even get out now. But there you go. Just proves what a machine. Try again now and move the wood along, fresh bit of wood. One thing I will say, it's not like Milwaukee, where the Milwaukee would break this or rip it apart. It's actually smooth and nice. It's actually smooth and it takes it nicely. My God, I'll tell you what, I'm so glad I actually bought this thing. I am so glad I actually bought this. I am so chuffed with this machine, it's unreal. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my review. I will say now, before I say anything, the battery charger is a bit slow. I'm not saying how long exactly it is, because that's like saying how long the length of string is. But the battery charger is slow. It's not a fast charger. But I suppose you can alter that and get a different charger if you want to. But it's slow. That's the only thing that disappoints me about it. The battery charger is a bit slow. But I suppose if you charge them both up on the night time, before you go to bed or whatever, and then the next day you can go working with it. Anyway, for now, from me, goodbye. And I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. But if you give me a thumbs down, please tell me why. Be brave and tell me why. I'll catch you later. Bye.
Ho, ho, ho.